Alright, so in this lesson we'll go ahead and cover currency and currency pair names. So first off, here's a list of the major currencies. So kind of going from the top down, we have the US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Swedish Krona, Norwegian Krone, Chinese Renminbi. And then one thing that you'll kind of notice is every currency has a three-letter symbol, which is just kind of a uniform, consistent naming system. And then moving on, here's a list of the major currency pairs. So kind of these top four right here are really the most liquid, most heavily traded, kind of most actively followed pairs by currency traders. So as you can see, there's the euro dollar pair, there's the dollar yen pair, the British pound dollar pair, the dollar Swiss franc pound, and then below I've also included the commodity currency pairs. So these include the US dollar, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar, New Zealand dollar, and US dollar. And the reason these are referred to as commodity currencies is because these three economies, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, are large exporters of commodities such as oil, and other metals and mining related goods. And then below, I've included a few other important currency pairs that you'll probably come across. So first is dollar Norwegian Krone, dollar Swedish Krona, and then dollar Chinese Renminbi. And I've also included some of the currency nicknames. So I'm sure if you're watching CNBC or reading some sort of news article, you'll probably see a handful of currencies either referred to as just their kind of standard names or their nicknames. So the US dollar is sometimes referred to as the greenback or buck, or simply just dollar. The British pound is referred to just pound or sterling. The Swiss franc is referred to as Swissy. Canadian dollar, loonie. Australian dollar, Aussie. New Zealand dollar, Kiwi. So those are the major currency pairs, and important currency nicknames. And go ahead and look out for the quiz I've included to test your knowledge on each of these.